So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! Have you ever been outside when it's raining? Yeah! What do you hold in your hand? Yeah, an umbrella, so then you don't get all wet. Why don't we draw an umbrella together? First, we have to draw a big half circle. Whoa! And then 3 smaller half circles the other way. There we go. And then we need to draw a letter J. Yeah, just like that. For the handle. Doesn't that look like the letter J? I know. And then if we draw lines like this, yeah, it has little sections that we can color it in and make a very colorful umbrella. So let's add some red right there. Whoa! Let's add some green. Whoa! There we go. And let's add some blue. Whoa! Now that's a colorful umbrella. Whoa! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!